that into another window. You now have one link that you can share on social media. You can link to from your blog. You can link to absolutely anywhere that your customers feel.
Okay, so I'm currently on Samcart. Samcart is his platform where you can upload online courses, right? I'm not sure about you. Tell me if you can relate to this. You're working 17, 18-hour days on your business. Like, because you love what you do, because I love what I do. I love being hands-on. I love, doing events. I'm the founder of the Fearless Speaking Academy, so I'm coaching people on how to speak fearlessly. I absolutely love it. But there's only so many hours in a day. So what I'm going to be doing over the next 60 days, I'm going to make a 10 grand. I'm going to get to 10 grand months just by doing online courses. And by the way, anyone can do an online course. All you're doing is getting someone from A to B. A to B. You're directing them from A to B. That's what you're doing. You're teaching someone something that they didn't know before. And the type of courses that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be teaching people on how to speak fearlessly, public speaking courses, how to sell themselves, their products or services effortlessly. That would be a course that would sell out. And I'm saying to myself, like, Warren, get these courses out there. Because once you do the front end, you get these videos out there, the content, the units, the lessons, and it's out there. And then you market that, right? Market it to the masses. Like I use Clubhouse a lot. So I could just bring people from Clubhouse to the course. People need what I have to offer. They need to work on their public speaking skills. Communication is vital in business. So I'm like telling myself, Warren, this is it now. Work smarter. Work smarter. Let money work for you. How many of you guys can relate to this, where you are great at what you do. You're good at what you do. But you're not that driven by the money. And I'm going to be honest, that's where I've been for a while. Like, I find it easy to sell, but I'm not money driven. So I need to be, though. And like, money is the byproduct. It's going to help me to help more people. So that's a journey. I'm going to take you guys on this journey with me, because I want financial independence. I want to be able to, not have to stress about money. How many of you guys are in that place as well? Well, we're going to do it together. Follow me on this journey. I want to inspire you along this journey as well. And yeah, I'm excited about it. Excited about it. And I think with these online courses, what I might do actually, I'll do a video on how to do your own online course, how to structure it. Because a lot of people have a lot of knowledge, but they don't know how to put it out into a course. So I might do a video on that as well. If you think I should, send me a comment down below and just be like, you should definitely do this. By the way, guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe so that you don't miss another video again. And I want to share the journey with you, how to make £10,000 a month by doing online courses. Come on. And on Samcart as well, there are people that make £400,000. They were saying £400,000 a year just by doing online courses. Some people get £50,000 per month. Do you want that? I think I want that. So I'm going to work for this. It's possible. We're going to do this. Do you think it's possible? Comment down below as well. Let me know. Talk to me. Come on. We're going to make this like a conversation. And this is me getting back onto YouTube videos as well. It's a bit different to speaking to a live audience. I'm not going to lie. Like when you're talking to a camera that you know that there's no one watching this right now, like we're recording this on a video, but people are going to be watching this. It's a weird scenario. So you're going to see the growth of me on these videos as well, because I'm getting back to doing this. But I'm just passionate about teaching people how to speak fearlessly, because anyone can do this. Anyone can. And a lot of us need, we need that income in our life. A lot of us do you need more income? I do. I do. Because, I've had a bit of a tough 2 years. Buried my head in the sand a bit, got into debt. I'm not afraid to admit that as well. Went through, been grieving. And And I'm on this journey of being transparent now as well, and just letting, like, not just showing the show reel. A lot of speakers and coaches are like, hey, this is what I've done. Look at my Lamborghini. But they don't show the reality, the realness. Or they'll tell you how bad they were or what they did in the past, but not when they're currently going through it. And I was in that same place as well. 3 years ago, I wouldn't tell people, oh, I don't feel great today. You know, when you go through grief, it's like someone's ripped your heart out, and it's just something missing every single day. And then you get like waves of grief as well. So I'm doing videos as well on mental health too, and just my experience on that as well. And just, I want to make this like a vloggy video so that we add value to you guys, and just you can keep up to date of the journey, because I know that my journey, my story, where I'm going is going to inspire you. And I want to get as many people speaking and living life on their terms, and going after what they really want in life. That's why I'm doing these videos. So if you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button as well. Let me know, did you get value from this video as well? Comment down below. Let's have this conversation. Did you get value? Good comments, bad comments, I'll accept all of them. Engage with me. And because I think YouTube is one of the only social media platforms where I get the least engagement. And I'm like, maybe because I haven't been consistent enough. See, I was consistent on Facebook, Instagram, so I get a lot of engagement on those platforms. But YouTube, I'm ready to land in the world of YouTube. I know it's an amazing platform. You can connect with amazing people. So yes, I'm going to do it. I'm going to do it. That being said, guys, tune in again. And if you would like to do a course, what course would you like to do? Comment that down below as well. Let me know. I'll speak to you all soon. This is Warren Inspire, and turn your mess into your message.